If a patient needs a unit, that's 250 mils of packed cells over 3 hours via an IV set which delivers 20 drops per mil, what drip rate and drops per minute is needed? Alright, so the old drip rate formula, drip rate equals total drops over total time in minutes, total mins, right? So our total drops, we have 250 mils to deliver, and it's 20 drops for each mil. So that's going to be 250 multiplied by 20. That's the total number of drops, because there's 20 drops for each of the 250 mils. Divided by total minutes will be 3 hours, and there's 60 minutes in each hour, so it's 3 times 60. And now we're ready for cancelling here. We divide above and below by 10. There we go. And then we can divide 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 6 goes 3 times. So now we're left with 250 divided by 9. Right, so that's 250.00 divided by 9. 9 into 2 doesn't go. 9 into 25 goes 2 times. 2 9s is 18. So we have 7 remaining. 9 into 70 goes about 7 times, because 9 times 7 is 63. So in our decimal point, it goes 7 times and 7 remaining. And you see it's going to repeat. 9 into 70 goes 7 times and 7 remaining. 9 into 70 goes 7 times and 7 remaining. We could go on all day. What drop rate and drops per minute? So to the nearest whole drop, this is 27.77 drops. This is 7 is a 5 or bigger, so this becomes 28 drops per minute. That's the drip rate required.